Hello? Hello? I'm so scared right now. I'm so scared. There's a nigger. A nigger in my house. God, I'm so scared. Oh my God. I don't know what to do. What do I do? He's in here doing nigger things. Oh, he's going through the fridge. The hell this nigga got in here to eat? Oh, got some eggs. These niggas ain't got shit. He's getting milk. Shit, we got some milk though. Better have some goddamn cereal. Oh shit. Niggas got baking powder. The fuck? Shit. Oh shit. Niggas got cereal in the bitch. Nigga got cereal in the bitch. Nigga, cereal dance, cereal dance. Motherfucking honey bunches of votes, nigga. Hell yeah, nigga. What did you gonna do? Oh my God. Oh my God. Fucking nigger. Hell yeah. Oh God. This dirty monkey's eating my cereal. Oh God. Oh God, no. Look at him. Look at him with the nigger lips. The nigger eyes. Eating my nigger cereal. Nigga, that's honey bunches of oats over there. Ugh.